Welcome back friends. In the previous videos, we have seen three different terms. First one is consistency. Okay, it means that your system must respond with the same for every request. It means that if two person send the same request, then the response should be same. That type of system is called highly consistent. Second one is availability. Availability means your system must be available all the time, regardless when I request. Every time a request must be come. Third, partition tolerance. Partition tolerance means your system has the power to tolerate if there is any error in your distribution system or there is any partition. For example, this is your system, okay, distributed system. So what will happen? They are connected over network call, but there is a high probability that there must be some error in this network call, and due to which this may get partition from this distribution system. So even if any node or any machine get partition from the distribution system, still your system has a power to have a correct system or do not give any page fault. Then that system is called partition tolerance. That means that this system has a d value here, d value here, d value here. If this is due to some network error, this node get disconnected, but even this node get disconnected, you have two different places where that data is available. So your system is all, even after getting partition, your system is working properly. That system is called partition tolerant system. So what the cap theorem says? Cap theorem says that you can achieve only two out of these three things. Either you achieve a highly availability or partition, or you achieve highly consistent and a highly availability, or you achieve highly consistent and partition tolerance. You can't achieve all the three at the same time in any given system. All the three at the same time in any given system. You can achieve only two out of three. Out of three. So is it real in practical world that we have to select 2 out of 3? No. Why? Because we must build a system that is partition tolerance every time, because if that does not happen, then your system might get error anytime. This is because that network call is highly unreliable thing. And at any given point of time, your network error get error. So you must need a system that have a good partition tolerance. So to design any system, you have to choose between two things. What that two things? Either your system can be highly consistent or highly available. You cannot achieve both. Why you can't achieve both? Let's take an example. Okay, this is your network. Sorry, you have d value here, d value here, d value here. Someone can and update this value to d2. It takes t time to update here, t time to update here. So if any two person come and first one get the response from here, second one get response from here, okay, so what happen? Within delta t time, which is less than t, the user 1 get data d2, but user 2 here updation is not complete, so he get data d. So this system is highly available but not consistent. And the second way is that if any system update is happen from d to d, so stop that request, first change the data from all the nodes, then allow the request to read the system. Here the system is highly consistent but not highly available. So I hope you understand that you cannot achieve both. You can achieve either the highly consistent system or highly available system. So how do you decide it? Let's take a few example of social media, blog website. These websites must be highly available. You can never see that you open Instagram and it said that please log in 15 minutes after or anything. So these systems are highly available. So they can compromise on the consistency. But the system like banking or booking website, these systems are highly consistent, because if they do not have highly consistent, that they may book two hotel room to one single person, two hotel room sorry one hotel room to a two person, or a person can withdraw his money two times. This type of error happens. So this system must be highly inconsistent, but they compromise on the availability. That's why you see that sometimes banking's banks app does not allow. They take 10 to 15 minutes of time sometime to get refresh their server. So you find in many times that you are not allowed to withdraw your money, or you are not allowed to check your balance for some time in many bank services, because they wanted to update the whole system so that they can show the real thing. So I hope you understand that CAMP theorem consists of three things: consistency, availability, partition tolerance, and you can achieve only two out of three, but you have to be all-time peace partition tolerance. That's why you have to choose between either consistency or highly availability, and the system you can choose it with the help of this. If any system that requires transaction, booking related thing, then that system must be highly consistent, but the system which does not require these type of thing must be highly available. So before designing any system, you have to choose between these two, whether you want your system highly available or highly consistent. I hope you understand. In upcoming video we will talk about time related thing in system. So till then, goodbye.